Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Cantor, and this is Modeling with Mr. Cantor. Now, today we're going to be looking at Explore Part C. What I want you to do is to please pause the video, read the question, and try this one on your own. All right, welcome back. This question says, write the coordinates of each point. So the first point they want us to write the coordinates for are point A. Before we jump in and write any coordinates, let's actually take a deeper look at the grid and define a couple of things. Now, this axis, which is called the horizontal axis, please pause the video and let me know, what is its name? All right, welcome back. If you said the name of this axis is called the x-axis, then you are correct. Good job. Okay, and this graph actually has two lines that intersect. We have the horizontal axis that we call the x-axis, and we have a vertical axis here. Please pause the video and let me know, what is its name? All right, welcome back. If you said this is called the y-axis, then you are correct. Good job. So the purpose of both these axes is that they actually help us plot our points. Every single point has an x value to it, and it also has a y value to it. So every single coordinate will look something like this. It will be parentheses x comma y. So the first part of your coordinate is the x value, and the second part of your coordinate is the y value. So with that said, let's take a look at point A. Point A is right here. So pause the video. What is this x value? All right, welcome back. If you said point A's x value is 4, then you are correct. If 4 is point A's x value, what is point A's y value? Please pause the video and let me know. All right, welcome back. If you said point A's y value is positive 3, then you are correct. So right now, point A's coordinates is 4, 3, and I'll label it right next to point A as well, 4, 3. Excellent work. All right, let's take a look at point B. Please pause the video and let me know, what is the x value for point B? All right, welcome back. If you said the x value for point B is the number 4, you're doing really good. Now, if that's the x value for point B, what's the y value for point B? Please pause the video and let me know. All right, welcome back. If you said the y value for point B is -3, then you're doing good. Good job. So the coordinates of point B is 4, -3. Good job. And what we're going to also do is we're going to label it right here next to it as well. All right, let's keep moving. Let's take a look at point C. Pause the video. What is the x value of point C? Welcome back. If you said the x value of point C is 3, you're doing a great job. Now, the question is, if that is 3 for the x, then what is the y value for point C? Please pause the video and let me know. All right, welcome back. If you said the y value for point C is -5, then you are correct. So right now, our coordinates for point C is 3, -5, and I will place it right here as well. Okay, let's move on to point D. Please pause this video and let me know, what are the coordinates of point D? All right, welcome back. If you said the coordinates of point D is -4, -3, then you are correct. We can see that point D on the x-axis is at -4. And if we go down, we will get to point D, which is on -3 on the y-axis. Good work. Let's label that as well. Here we go. All right, we have one final point here, point E. What I want you to do is to please pause the video and let us know, what are the coordinates of point E? All right, welcome back. If you said that point E is at location of -5, 3, you are correct. Now, point E on the x-axis is at -5, and point E on the y-axis is at 3. So together, the coordinate is -5, 3. All right, let's move on. Let's see what else we have for you today. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at Explore Part D. Please pause this video, read this example to yourself, and try on your own. Unpause it, and then we'll do it together. All right, welcome back. Now, before we jump in and start talking about how to answer this question, it is really important for us to label the x and y axes. Can you pause the video and let me know which axis is the x and which one is the y? All right, welcome back. If you said the horizontal axis right here is the x-axis, then you are correct. Good job. Now, if you said the vertical axis right here is the y-axis, then you are correct. Good job. That is 2 for 2. Okay, so with that said, let's actually talk about what they want. They said, how are the coordinates the same and how are they different? So they're looking at point A and point B. They want to know, how are they the same and how are they different? In order for us to analyze them a little bit more, why don't we find their coordinates? Please pause the video and let me know, what are the coordinates of point A? All right, welcome back. If you said the coordinates of point A are 4, comma, 3, then you are correct. Good job. On the x-axis, we're at 4, and on the y-axis, we're at 3. So it's 4, comma, 3. Good job. Okay, now please pause the video and let me know, what are the coordinates of point B? All right, welcome back. If you said the coordinates of point B are 4, comma, negative 3, then you are correct. This point is at 4 on the x-axis and it's at negative 3 on the y-axis. Good work. So what is the same about them? What is different about them? Please pause the video and let me know. All right, welcome back. If you said they both have a 4 for the x value of the coordinate, then you are correct. And if you said they both have different y values, then you are correct. This one is 3, this one is negative 3. Those are different. So an acceptable answer here is they share the same x values, but their y values are different. Please pause the video and let me know, is there anything else that they have in common? All right, welcome back. If you said they also share the same distance from the x-axis, then you are correct. Point A is 1, 2, 3 spaces away from the x-axis. And point B is 1, 2, 3 spaces away from the x-axis as well. That is also an acceptable answer. All right, let's look at the next one, B and D. Please pause the video and let me know, what are the coordinates for point B and D? Now, in order for us to talk about point B and D, just like we did earlier, we should find the coordinates of point D. So please pause the video and let me know, what are the coordinates of point D? All right, welcome back. If you said the coordinates of point D is negative 4, comma, negative 3, then you are correct. Because we can see that point D on the x-axis is right here where the negative 4 is. We can go straight down. Here it connects with the D. And then if we look at point D and we go to the right, we'll see that it connects with the negative 3. So D is at negative 4, comma, negative 3. Good job. Okay, so what is the same between point B and point D, and what is different? Please pause the video and let me know. All right, welcome back. If you said that point D and point B have the same exact y values, negative 3, then you are correct. Let's highlight that. And then we can notice that the x values here are different. This is negative 4 and this one is positive 4. So they are different. So an acceptable answer here is that they share the same y value, but their x values are different. Good job. Now, there's actually one more thing they have in common. Pause the video and let me know if you see it. All right, welcome back. If you said that they also are the same distance from the y-axis, then you are correct. Point D is 1, 2, 3, 4 units from the y-axis, and point B is 1, 2, 3, 4 units from the y-axis. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the last question, D and E. Again, in order for us to answer this, it is very helpful for us to plot the point E first. What are the coordinates of point E? Please pause the video and let me know. All right, welcome back. If you said the coordinates for point E are negative 5, comma, 3, then you are correct. Good job. We notice on the x-axis, we're at negative 5. And if we go up, we'll be at E. And if we move to the right from E, we'll hit 3 on the y-axis. So the coordinates for point E is negative 5, comma, 3. So pause the video and let me know. Do you see any similarities? Do you see any differences? Let me know what you think. All right, welcome back. If you said that both of their x values are different, then you are correct. And if you said both of their y values are also different, then you are correct. So it seems as if in terms of values, there's nothing that they have in common. So do they have anything in common? Please pause the video and let me know. All right, welcome back. If you said that they actually are the same distance from the x-axis, then you're correct. E is 1, 2, 3 spaces from the x-axis, and point D is 1, 2, 3 spaces away from the x-axis as well. Good job. So an acceptable answer here is that they share the same distance from the x-axis, but the x and y values are different. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. My name is Mr. Cantor. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care for now.